Are you planning a trip to Japan? This video is for you. We'll highlight the ultimate guide to Japan Rail Pass Japan. If you're planning a trip to Japan, getting a Japan Rail Pass can save you a lot of money and simplify your transportation. So, what exactly is a Japan Rail Pass? It's a rail pass that provides unlimited use of Japan Railways trains for a fixed period of time. First things first, what exactly is a Japan Rail Pass? Well, the Japan Rail Pass, commonly known as the Junior Pass, is a special ticket available to foreign tourists visiting Japan. It provides unlimited access to Japan's extensive railway network operated by the Japan Railways Group, including Shinkansen bullet trains, express trains, and local lines. The Japan Rail Pass offers incredible flexibility and convenience, allowing you to explore various regions of Japan seamlessly. Now, let's talk about the different types of Japan Rail Passes available. There are two main types of passes, the national version and the regional version. The national pass covers the entire country and is perfect for those planning to travel across multiple regions. On the other hand, regional passes focus on specific areas, such as the Hokkaido, Kansai, or Kyushu regions, catering to travelers with more localized itineraries. Once you've decided on the type of pass that suits your travel plans, the next step is to determine the validity period. Japan Rail Passes are available in 7-day, 14-day, and 21-day options, offering consecutive days of unlimited travel within the chosen timeframe. To purchase a Japan Rail Pass, you need to be a non-Japanese passport holder and buy it before arriving in Japan. To purchase a pass, you can visit the official website or authorized resellers. Here are two popular options. Japan Rail Pass official website. You can purchase your Junior Pass directly from the official website of Japan Rail Pass. Visit https://www.japanrailpass.net/ to access their online booking system. Follow the instructions on the website to select your pass type, validity period, and provide the necessary information. After completing your purchase, you will receive an exchange order via email, which you can later exchange for your physical Japan Rail Pass in Japan. Authorized resellers. There are several authorized resellers where you can purchase your Japan Rail Pass. One of the most well-known resellers is Japan Experience. Visit their website at https://www.japan-rail-pass.com/ to explore and purchase your Japan Rail Pass. They offer shipping options to various countries, allowing you to receive your pass before your trip. When purchasing a Japan Rail Pass, it's important to keep in mind the following steps. Determine the type and validity period of the pass that suits your travel plans. Visit the official Japan Rail Pass website or an authorized reseller's website. Select your pass type and validity period. Please be in mind that when you choose the first day of pass, you need to be physically in Japan to exchange that Japan Rail Pass. If you miss it, then it'll gone. Provide the necessary personal and travel information. Complete the purchase process and make the payment. Receive your exchange order via email, for online purchases. Upon arrival in Japan, bring your exchange order and passport to a Japan Rail Pass exchange office at major airports or designated train stations. Present your exchange order and passport to receive your physical Japan Rail Pass. Remember, it's essential to purchase your Japan Rail Pass before arriving in Japan, as you cannot buy it directly within the country. Plan ahead and make sure to check the specific requirements and instructions provided by the website or reseller you choose. Once you have your pass, you can use it for any Japan Railways train except for the Nozomi and Mizuho Shinkansen. You can also use the Japan Rail Pass for certain buses and ferries. To activate your Japan Rail Pass, go to the ticket office and present your pass and passport. How to exchange your Japan Rail Pass. Once you arrive in Japan, head to a Japan Rail Pass exchange office at major airports or designated train stations. Show your exchange order and passport, and they will provide you with your Japan Rail Pass. Remember, you cannot buy a Japan Rail Pass directly in Japan, so make sure to plan ahead. Now that you have your Japan Rail Pass, let's talk about the benefits it offers. Firstly, the Japan Rail Pass allows you to travel on most trains, including the famous Shinkansen bullet trains. This means you can zip across the country at incredible speeds, making day trips and long-distance travel a breeze. Secondly, the pass covers not only trains but also selected buses and ferries operated by Japan Rail companies. So, if you plan to explore islands like Miyajima or travel to remote areas, your pass has got you covered. Another great benefit of the Japan Rail Pass is that it includes seat reservations at no extra cost. This is especially useful during peak travel seasons when trains can get crowded. Just visit a Japan Rail ticket office or use the self-service machines to reserve your seats in advance. Remember, some trains have reserved seating only, so having a Japan Rail Pass ensures you won't have to worry about finding a seat. Let's move on to some tips and tricks to make the most of your Japan Rail Pass. Firstly, familiarize yourself with the Japan Railway's timetable. It's easily accessible online and will help you plan your journeys effectively. You can also find printed timetables at major train stations. Secondly, consider activating your pass strategically. You can activate it at any time within a month from the date of issue. So, if you have a specific date in mind for a longer journey, plan your activation accordingly to maximize your pass's usage. Lastly, don't forget to carry your passport with you when using the Japan Rail Pass. You may be asked to present it at ticket gates or when making seat reservations. Is Japan Rail Pass cover all transportation services in Japan? When traveling to Japan, it is important to plan forward since Japan Rail Pass do not cover all the transportation line, especially inside the city. When you do your planning, you could check through the website for each destination. Will it be cheaper by using Junior Pass or Standard Transportation Card? Here it's the comparison of both. Japan Rail Pass. 1. Long distance travel. The Japan Rail Pass is ideal for long distance travel, especially if you plan to explore multiple regions of Japan. 1. It provides unlimited access to the extensive Japan Railways network, including Shinkansen bullet trains, express trains, and local lines. 2. Intercity travel. If you're planning to visit major cities like Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto, Hiroshima, or Nagoya, the Junior Pass can be cost-effective for intercity travel. 3. Day trips. The Japan Rail Pass is great for day trips to nearby cities or attractions accessible by train. 3. It allows you to hop on and off trains without worrying about individual ticket costs. Transportation cards, e.g., Suica, Passmo, Ikoka. 1. Local travel. For getting around within a specific city, using a transportation card like Suica, Passmo, or Ikoka is convenient. 1. These cards are rechargeable and can be used on trains, subways, buses, and even for some purchases at convenience stores. 2. Non-Japan Rail Pass transportation. If your travel plans include transportation options not covered by the Japan Rail Pass, such as private railways, subways, or buses operated by other companies, a transportation card will be more suitable. 3. Short distance travel. If you're primarily exploring a specific city or its surrounding areas, using a transportation card can be more cost-effective than activating a Japan Rail Pass. Tips to maximize its usage. 1. Plan your itinerary. Before deciding on using a Japan Rail Pass or transportation card, plan your itinerary and identify the regions and cities you'll be visiting. 1. Evaluate the distance, frequency of travel, and the availability of Japan Rail Pass lines in those areas. 2. Compare costs. Compare the costs of individual train tickets with the cost of a Japan Rail Pass or transportation card. 2. Consider the duration of your stay, the number of train trips you plan to take, and the distance you'll cover. 3. Combine Japan Rail Pass and transportation card. In some cases, you may benefit from a combination of a Japan Rail Pass for long-distance travel and a transportation card for local commuting within a city. 3. Assess your specific needs and consider this option if it suits your itinerary. Remember, the Japan Rail Pass and transportation cards offer different coverage and benefits, so choose the option that aligns with your travel plans and provides the best value for money. It's always helpful to research and consult resources such as official websites or travel forums to gather up-to-date information on routes, fares, and pass options to make an informed decision. From then on, you'll be able to hop on and off any Japan Railways train throughout your pass's validity period. Now that you know about Japan Rail Pass, you can plan your travels and save money. We hope this detailed explanation has helped you understand the benefits and workings of the JR Pass, making your trip to Japan an unforgettable experience. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences using the Japan Rail Pass, feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. Happy exploring!